After the recent events, it is obvious that Sony isn't going to watch from the sideline how other tech giants are getting into electric vehicle manufacturing business. A new participant in the electric vehicle market has emerged, and it's not a well-known automaker. Sony, whose name usually conjures up images of hard-to-find gaming consoles and other in-home technology, is on the verge of delivering its first electric SUV to the public. The Vision S O2 concept was unveiled at the 2022 Consumer Electronics Show, which is now taking place in Las Vegas. The electric crossover is a follow-up to Sony's Vision S electric car concept, which debuted at the Consumer Electronics Show 2 years ago. Even though Sony has been testing a Vision S prototype, the company has been tight-lipped about its plans for the vehicle. However, that changed on Wednesday when Sony revealed plans to launch the new Sony Mobility division in the spring. The division's declared purpose is to take advantage of Sony's artificial intelligence and robotics skills, while also looking into a prospective entry into the electric car market. Sony's ambitions to enter the expanding electric vehicle market should come as no surprise, given both the Vision S and updated Vision S02 models appear to be ready to go into production as soon as tomorrow. Sony as a company is famous for envisaging new paradigms, giving meaning to ideas, and engaging internationally through the power of design, a process that connects with a wide range of values and creates new standards. Sony plans to cooperate with others worldwide to build new value standards as they continue to explore the endless possibilities of design solutions. The Vision S02 is a mid-size crossover that is comparable to the Model X made by Tesla. It has 7 seats in 3 rows, cloud connectivity, and 5G compatibility, just as the Vision S. Thanks to connectivity, over-the-air updates and even remote car operation are actually feasible, which Sony sees as a crucial technology for the autonomous driving age. Time-of-flight sensors are utilized to provide monitoring services for driver authentication and keeping an eye on passengers. They also offer intuitive gestures and voice commands to make the car interface more user-friendly. Moreover, to provide an experience tailored to each user's preferences, the vehicle will also have a new feature that will allow the users to personalize the display theme and the vehicle's acceleration and deceleration sounds. Vehicle settings, key locks, and user settings can be synced by connecting the vehicle to the cloud via a mobile connection such as 5G, which offers low latency, high capacity, and fast speed. Furthermore, because updates are mirrored in the vehicle via over-the-air, security and evolving service functionalities and value-added services can be provided constantly. The seat speakers, which generate a 3-dimensional sound field, and the streaming service compatible with 360 reality audio give an immersive music experience that puts passengers in the middle of a beloved artist's live performance. Vision S also has the fully integrated digital video service Bravia Core for Vision S to deliver a high-quality movie experience. The service allows for shared or individual movie playback on the front panoramic screen and unique rear seat displays. Gaming capabilities have been enhanced to include the ability to play PlayStation games through a remote connection to a console at home and the option to play streaming games through the cloud, further expanding the possibilities of in-vehicle entertainment. In addition, the saloon has dramatically influenced the Sony Vision S02 SUV. It has the same headlamp design as the previous model, with a full-width LED light bar running down the vehicle's center. The bumper has a similar appearance, albeit with taller intakes and a wider grille. A 2-tone color option is also available, albeit the 7-seater SUV has a significantly higher roofline than the Tesla Model X, with a step drop towards the back. At the back, there is very little commotion. Aside from a massive LED light bar, there aren't many design characteristics to speak of. Nevertheless, the saloon has inspired the design of the Sony Vision SO2 SUV. The Vision SO2 is believed to be based on a modular electric vehicle chassis purchased from Magna Steyr. The same company supplied a platform for the Fisker Ocean electric crossover. The Magna Steyr platform was also used to develop Sony's Vision S in collaboration with the Austrian company. A 268 horsepower motor was installed in each axle of the Vision S, resulting in a 0 to 60 mph acceleration time of fewer than 5.0 seconds. Previously, Sony had shown off its Vision S concept in 2020 to a lot of surprise and enthusiasm. However, according to various accounts, the Vision S was more of a presentation of what Sony could do in automotive technology rather than a solid promise to actually enter the world of vehicles. The driverless prototype, which had 33 sensors embedded, has been designed to provide safety, comfort, entertainment, and adaptability. Moreover, the Sony team provided insight into the design processes that resulted in this viable electric vehicle for the next generation. Also, Sony was unlikely to enter the retail automotive market anytime soon, preferring to use its Vision S electric prototype as a testbed for future innovations, including autonomous driving. We've now heard about this vehicle for over 2 years, so Sony appears to be sticking to their guns, even though we haven't heard much about it recently. The following has been taken directly from the company's news release. Sony's mobility ambitions, which include seeking safety, dependability, comfort, and entertainment, are being positioned as a new program called Vision S. The first Vision S prototype vehicle will display at the Sony stand. To continuously update and improve its features, this prototype integrates Sony's imaging and sensor technologies, as well as onboard software managed by Sony's AI, telecommunication, and cloud technologies. Sony's design team used an oval concept to represent the vehicle's 360-degree immersion in sensing technologies and entertainment. The light loop is the most apparent manifestation of this notion. The DRL triggers an illuminated brand emblem on the front tip when the owner approaches. The light spreads in a horizontal band as it circles the body, linking the turn signals, door handles, and taillights. The oval concept's meaning extends well beyond illumination. Consider the edge lines that connect the front and the back. Chrome lines in an oval shape also encircle the top of the frame. Even the body's surface is a continuous wraparound where all those lines draw their contours. The oval-inspired features create a coherent style with smooth arcs and curves that give the car a flowing appearance. The previous version of the Sony EV Vision S prototype had only a few project members and was completed in less than 2 years. There was no clay modeling in the team's approach, which involves using 3D data as the foundation for everything from the initial planning to the final ones. Everything was done on the computer. The team used high-quality rendering and virtual reality technologies to envision the car, make decisions, and perform verification work, maximizing their resources. The Vision S was created to be drivable and ready for the road. This entailed meeting every safety standard, complying with every applicable regulations requirement, and double-checking every security need. The team methodically placed the lights and turn signals to achieve total compliance. They've set their eyes on earning the highest possible crash safety rating of 5 stars. Because the Vision S prototype is only a showcase of Sony's automotive electronics capabilities, Sony hasn't given a manufacturing timeline for the car. To improve our understanding of cars in terms of their designs and technologies, we gave a shape to our vision, Sony CEO Kenichiro Yoshida stated soon before the car's introduction. The entire news conference is actually available to view online. So what's next for Sony and Vision S prototypes? Well, experts will just say that for a car that will never be built, there is a lot of detail there. Given the platform's multi-year development, the two models, the amount of detail, Sony's new EV-focused company progress, and the wide open road for a popular tech brand to enter the car sector, experts have been guessing the Vision S models will be mass-produced at some point in future. We won't comment on the meaning of mass-produced just yet. We will keep our thoughts short about whether Sony aspires to become as big as Volvo cars, BMW, or even Tesla. Because cars are increasingly becoming computers, we expect conventional consumer tech businesses like Sony and Apple to have many essential competencies required to make good, intelligent, and popular electric vehicles. Furthermore, the more competition in the electric car segment, the better for a consumer. Obviously, we do hope to see Sony mass-produce the Vision S01, Vision S02, and a whole slew of other exciting electric vehicles. But it's not an easy task. For example, according to different rumors over the past many years, Apple has gone back and forth on the concept of actually making electric cars. Dyson first expressed interest in doing so, but later abandoned the concept, explaining that it is a highly complex and capital-intensive task. Most of us who have followed Tesla for the past decade or more have seen the company go through a lot to get to the position it occupies at the moment. So, do you think Sony can make it happen? Let us know in the comments below.